seen what the motherboard in the movie? Okay.
Yeah, and I seen her real face.
Okay, so this is a motherboard, and you put all the components go on the motherboard. Now, if you look on the back side of the motherboard, you see all these lines?
Yeah.
So those are like driveways. So they send a signal back and forth between each other. That way they can talk back and forth. So that's what the motherboard does. You see how everything connects together right here to these central points? Everything's going to the same spot?
Yeah.
Yeah. So right here, on the back side of this is the processor. That's the brains of the computer. That's what allows them to talk, and that's what determines the speed back and forth between each one of the electronic components.
Why is it so tricky where the motherboard is?
Okay, so on the back side of this, there's a peripheral device or some type of device that's plugged into the back. And on the back, they wave solder it. So what they do is
the motherboard is right there.
This whole thing is the motherboard. So when they put each little piece in there, the little legs stick out the bottom side, and then they use a procedure called wave soldering. Now, wave soldering uses an electrical current, and what it does is it has an electrical current, and they wave a pool of wet solder over it, and it sticks to where the electrical charges are. And that's how you get all these little fine, little tiny solders. That's what holds everything in place and connects it to the pathway.
What are you guys doing?
We're we're learning about motherboards today.
Are you guys building a computer or what?
Yeah, we're building computers today.
Whose computer are you building, Natalie?
Mom.
You're gonna get your own computer?
And I'm already 5.
Wow.